No. Okay. I really like that one. Wow. Look what's arrived. Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and another witch casket video. I'm very excited to open this. So first up we have obviously the little leaflet thingy inside. Okay, that was a fail. But this one is called, it's called Love Charms. That's cool. Right, well I'm not going to have a look at this obviously, as I always say in every single witch casket video, because I don't want to spoil the surprise. What fell out was some artwork, like a little card you get with every witch casket box. Then we have Open Your Heart Bath Ritual Kit. Ooh. Okay, I can't really smell it. I have to open it, but that looks really cool. I like that. I like anything for the bath, basically. I really like that. Ooh, okay. This looks interesting. A little pouch. Maybe I can like set this down here. That might be a bit better. But a little pouch with a rose on it, like in black. I actually can't see myself in the screen right now. Well, I can, but it's completely green. I look like a monster, but obviously to you it'll be fine. But there's something wrong with my camera, so yeah. Oh, I like that. That's so nice. Okay, so it's like a little it's a necklace. Where's the viewfinder? There you go. It's a little necklace with a little rose on the end. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Okay, next is a love potion bottle. Oh, okay, this is cool. Comes with a little stopper, which is cool. Oh, I do like that. That's going on my little space, my little altar space. I have an area with things like rose quartz and like a picture of my boyfriend and me and whatever. And I think this would be perfect to go on there. Next is, ooh, the Loving Oracle. A magical card deck to give insight into friendships, romance and matters of the heart. I like the shape of them as well, because normally with like cards, they're normally like, you know, normal kind of shape. I don't even know if I showed you the front, I'm just... Okay. Oh, I like that. Okay, so this is what they look like. And then this side, so you get like sort of a word and then, well, kind of the meaning, I suppose. Okay, next is a scroll thingy, parchment. That's cool. I like those. Next is, yes, bath salts. They did good on this one, I have to say. No. Okay. I really like that one. Oh, and it's got a little like wax on the top. Wow, and it's like a little jar. And it's got, I assume, I can't see what's in it. It might say in the little leaflet, but it looks like, but obviously bath salts and then like maybe some rose petals or something inside. Oh, I do like that. I like that. This is probably, so far, probably my favourite thing. Next is a Loving Home hanging charm. This is nice. No, it's got crystals in it. Yes. Ooh. Ooh, is it heart-shaped? Wow, this is nice. And it's heavy as well. Oh, I love that. Okay, this is going on my altar as well. Okay, this is one of my favourite items as well, actually. actually. What it comes with is some crystal chips. I can't see what they are. It looks like rhodochrosite or rhodonite. And this. Okay, so these are the last 3 things in the box. So I've got a little pin that says love spells. It's like a little book. Rose quartz as well. You can kind of see in the little bag. Loving vibrations incense. Oh, that smells nice, actually. A loving blend of lemon, balm and rose. So that's everything in the box. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, enjoyed looking through the items with me. I love doing these videos and just seeing what's in them every month, because everything is different. As you can tell, this theme was Valentine's themed, or you know, love themed, so I thought that was really fitting considering it was February. So anyway, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a like, comment down below what your favourite item was, or if you have received this box yourself. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification if you want to subscribe to more of my videos. I will be doing this kind of video every month, as well as many other different types of videos on my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!